Okay, let's dive right into this explainer and tackle what is arguably the single most frustrating part of AI content creation. You know what I'm talking about. Trying to make AI-generated stuff actually look like your brand, without all that endless manual pixel pushing.
Because right now, the source material points out a massive hurdle. Sure, AI tools like Claude Design are mind-blowingly powerful. They can instantly generate a massive 23-slide deck from a simple YouTube transcript. But have you noticed they always default to that super generic, dark AI look? It just screams, an algorithm made this. It's completely disconnected from your unique vibe, your specific colors, and your custom fonts. So how do we fix this? Well, the source introduces this brilliant concept, a hub-and-spoke workflow. Instead of begging and prompting the AI over and over again to remember your brand guidelines, we just build one central hub. From that single hub, we can instantly spin out 5 completely different digital products in minutes. And the best part? Zero extra manual design work. It's the ultimate leverage. Build it once, apply it everywhere. To build this central hub, you need a design system. Think of this as your brand's DNA. It's basically your ultimate rulebook written down in one place. We're talking your colors, your fonts, your spacing, even down to the exact roundness of your buttons. Once you set this up in a tool like Claude Design, the AI just inherently gets who you are visually. Seriously, you will never have to manually type out a hex code again. And setting this up is incredibly easy. Forget about those massive, overpriced agency brand kits. All you do is give the AI your brand's name and a quick one-sentence mission, like, say, a community of curious AI folks called Staying Ahead. Then you literally just upload a simple screenshot of your current colors and fonts. That is it. In about 5 minutes flat, Claude builds out a fully ready-to-use rulebook.
Now for the magic trick. Once your brand DNA is locked in, we get to the one command that makes this whole system scale. You just go back to that generic 23-slide deck the AI built earlier, and you type this one single sentence into the chat. Convert the whole deck to our design system.
The contrast here is just night and day. That moody, dark default theme completely vanishes, and it's instantly replaced by your exact brand identity. Every single one of those 23 slides, which, by the way, happen to outline the ADAP learning framework from our source, instantly adopts your specific colors and fonts. And honestly, the best part, there is absolutely zero manual editing required. The AI just flawlessly applies your rules across the entire deck. Because the AI now has your brand rules hardwired into its brain, we can start spinning out those spokes we talked about earlier. We can rapidly scale from that comprehensive slide deck straight into a one-page infographic, a social media carousel, an animated launch video, and even a fully interactive landing page prototype. Let's actually take a look at how this automated consistency flows into these different assets.
Here is where it gets totally effortless. We already have our slide deck, right? Well, to make the infographic, we don't start from scratch. We simply take that exact same transcript, tell the AI to switch the format to a document, and ask for a one-page roadmap. Because your design system is already attached like an invisible layer, it generates this beautifully branded infographic. No manual input about layouts or colors needed whatsoever.
And building out our social media presence is just as automated. We just use the voice repurpose option and ask the AI to turn our one-pager into an Instagram carousel. Boom! It effortlessly spins up these beautifully designed, dark-themed cards that perfectly highlight the brand's green accents. Slide by slide, it is completely ready to post, and you haven't even touched a traditional design tool. Okay, but what if we want to push this into motion? Easy. We ask for an animated launch video, and the AI outputs a super clean, kinetic text animation driven by HTML and CSS, which perfectly inherits our brand typography and colors. Now, the source material does note that if you want really complex, layer-by-layer artistic generation, you can use integration bridges called connectors, like Higgsfield. But for clean, text-based promo videos, the native engine handles your brand consistency flawlessly all on its own. Finally, let's build a functional digital space for our fifth spoke. We ask the AI for a polished, interactive landing page prototype, and it delivers. It pulls in your logo, writes a catchy headline, and lays out a working wireframe. It's even got a bright button in your exact brand color, a fully functional WhatsApp join form, and a little member count badge for that sweet social proof. Now, having a prototype is awesome, but to make these pages actually live on the internet, you need code. And here is where your design system saves you real money. You can push these designs directly to website builders or into Claude Code. By exporting your brand system first, the AI stops burning through your expensive tokens trying to redesign everything from scratch. It just grabs your pre-approved building blocks and gets to work. Okay, so everything we've talked about so far assumes you're paying for a Claude subscription, but the sources highlight a pretty brilliant alternative: OpenSign. This is a totally free open-source architecture that lets you execute this exact same hub-and-spoke automation. The big difference here is the engine. While Claude makes you stay within their paid limits, OpenSign actually lets you bring your own AI engine to the party, like Gemini or ChatGPT.
And you know what the cost is? Zero. Yep, everyone's absolute favorite number when it comes to software subscriptions. That is exactly how many extra pennies you'll pay to run OpenDesign if you plug it straight into an existing ChatGPT or Gemini subscription. You just use a tool called the Codex CLI as a bridge to route your paid AI directly into the open source interface. It's honestly such a clever workaround to get identical design automation without stacking up yet another monthly bill.
Oh, and the best part? You don't even have to start from scratch and rebuild your brand rulebook in this new free tool. Nope, you just go back to Claude Design, export your design system as a zip file, and extract it straight into OpenAIN. Just like that, your brand DNA is cloned. It pulls in your colors, your fonts, the whole vibe, right into the open source tool, so you are ready to start generating new spokes immediately. This explainer really drives home a massive, game-changing shift in how we work. The old friction of design? It's just gone. The heavy lifting of maintaining brand consistency is now 100% automated across all your digital projects. So, with your rulebook completely set and your design hub capable of generating unlimited, perfectly branded spokes for essentially free, the only question left is, what are you going to build next?